Hello guys, welcome to another insightful opportunity. In this video, I'm going to show you a list of over 60 fully funded scholarships that you can use to achieve your dreams of studying abroad. If you're new here, my name is Eugene and this is the homeland of international opportunities. I share scholarship opportunities that would help you achieve your dreams of studying abroad. So right here, you're going to get scholarships in the United States, in Canada, in Germany, and in any country that you can think about. So you're definitely in the right place. This is the number one channel for international scholarships. So therefore, if you find this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to be part of the family. And if you have anyone who is interested in studying for their bachelor's, master's, or PhD abroad, then make sure to share this video to them. To make finding scholarships easy for my audience, I have created this file, this Excel file, which contains a lot of scholarships, international scholarships for bachelor's, master's, and PhD. And in this file, you're going to find scholarships in a lot of countries like the UK, China, Japan, USA, Germany, Netherlands, a lot of countries as you can see on this list. And most of the scholarships on this list are scholarships that are fully funded. They cover your tuition fee, your monthly stipend, your travel cost, and even visa application fee in some of the scholarships. Another interesting thing is that you are going to find the application window right here, so you can always come back to check, and you can also see the application link. So you can click on the link and it takes you to the official website for that scholarship, and you can begin to understand the scholarship from the website and also apply to these scholarships. I will continue to update this scholarship list from time to time, so you can always come back to check the list. And today I have some new updates, and I just included about 40 scholarships to this list, making it over 60 scholarships altogether. So that is why I am making this video, so that I can tell you the different scholarships that you could check out and apply to right away. But before I do that, let's talk about the Scholarship Success Pro course. Getting the scholarship links to apply to is just one part of the whole journey, but then knowing the right scholarships to apply to, as well as the best way to apply to those scholarships, the best strategies, and knowing winning tips makes the whole game complete. So this is why the Scholarship Success Pro is for you if you actually want to win a scholarship. The link to the Scholarship Success Pro course is going to be in the YouTube video description, and you can also find it at the top of this file. Once you enter the file, you're going to see the link right here. If you click on it, it's going to take you to this page where you can learn more about the Scholarship Success Pro course. There's a lot of advantages, but most importantly, it is going to give you the strategy to win a fully funded scholarship. And down here, you can see the advantages of getting this course. There's a lot of advantage you can read through when you come to this page. And one other important advantage is that you're going to get my scholarship ebook for free, because there's a lot of resources that comes with this course and a lot of templates, and the scholarship ebook is one of it. The scholarship ebook contains letters of motivation from scholars who have won prestigious scholarships. So this can be a very good guide to help you craft out an award-winning letter of motivation to increase your chances of winning a fully funded scholarship. Another benefit is that you also become part of the Scholarship Success Pro community, which has a lot of benefits. In this community, we're going to have monthly or quarterly live Zoom calls to guide you directly. And with that, you also stand a chance of a free document review. I definitely encourage you to get the Scholarship Success Pro course because it gives you the opportunity to work with me one-on-one. Okay guys, let's get back to the scholarship list for today. So right here, you can see the scholarships I previously updated, and if you come down, you can see the new scholarships right here. We have Erasmus Mundus scholarship. It's going to open very soon. You want to keep a close look at the Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters Scholarship. We have the Rhodes Scholarship, Knight NSC Scholars Program, and we have the Schwarzman Scholarship, which is a Master's Scholarship, and this is in China. We have Global Career Scholarships. We have the Tokai Scholarship. This is for bachelor's, master's, and PhD. So there's the Stipendium Hungary Scholarship, McCall McBain Scholarship. So there's a lot of scholarships right here that you can check out. The list goes on. So in total, these are about 40 new scholarships, and we already have about 20 scholarships already. And they are for bachelor's, they are master's scholarships, and PhD scholarships. And right here, you can see the country where you're going to study, and you can see what is covered in the scholarship right here. Most of them are fully funded scholarships, and right here you can see the application window, but you'll get more information when you click on the link right here to go to the official website and also apply for the scholarship. Now you can access this particular file with the link in the YouTube video description, and that will take you to this page where you can actually see all of these scholarships. I'll be glad to know where you're watching from, so let me know in the comment section where you're watching from, what country are you watching from, and also let me know where you would like to study so that I can update this file with scholarships from your interested or your preferred country of study. Till we meet again, my name is Eugene. Do not give up on your dreams.